Patama move.
East, slow.
Si color nila ron, si Kuan.
Hitting Beetle, Mozart.
Yo, why do I have 2 battlements here? Is that... Come back. If you're not scouting, come back.
One bar, Mozart, Beetle.
Okay.
Balista, I'll target Nolem. Okay, balista.
Nolan.
Malas na.
South.
Patama ko sa.
Balista,
Move with the Zerg. Move with the Zerg. Come back.
We got a Kyle off. Patama.
Come back. Follow triple.
We have castle advantage.
Silang color ron, King.
Si Rono.
Ron ang color, main color.
Oh, main caller. Ay,
Every
Rono,
hit
shoot ako. Come south.
Pwede na ko yung offensive akong Kongi.
We walk now.
Defensive ka. Def one ready.
They're going in, guys soon.
Abi, ang party lead. Makamay ko.
Silence sa gitna.
Hitting balista. Nefex.
Second emotion Resin effect.
Ano mo?
Hitting effects. May interrupt na din sila. Battleman user din yun.
Nasa. Give info where.
Meeting mo doon.
Fully mix na ha. Kaya na bahala pre ha.
Def to reduce. Kulat lang. Nefex.
Sa south ko sila na kahit.
Silence ako kay Gomari.
Si Nefex Huwag niyo pa
Silence yung Gomari.
Akin na sinipek.
Akin si mo doon. Hindi na makakamount yan.
Gomari southwest side.
Def.
Gomari southwest side. Gomari looking. Mag-engage isa pa.
Saan siya?
Southwest side. Pinaka-west ngayon.
Balista rin
Dito, pinging. Gomari is here.
Patama ko.
2 bombs at the west side. 2 bombs at the west side.
Prox southwest.
I'm cool doon.
Okay.
Someone shoot ram. Shoot ram.
Ready na pa.
Mahal siya.
Lukay sila.
Ready?
Remounting ako ah.
Follow na. Shallow ready ha.
Are you hitting Nolem?
Defend. Okay, kahit tayo. Def 2.
I got this mounted.
15 seconds if one ha.
Later, GG.
DGG.
GG.
Puta, ayun na to.
Dito, pasangan.